All right, another record high for Apple. The stock now on pace. It's up about 15% year to date. But how much more is left in that name? Let's find out. All right, Wald of Oppenheimer and Erin Gibbs of S&P Global are your Trading Nation team today. Erin, listen, people have made the case it's undervalued. Well, now it's had a nice run. Do you think it's still a good value?
Yes, I have been one of those people that's made the argument that it was undervalued, and you can't really say it anymore. We're definitely getting closer to fair, but I still think there's room to run, and we've seen that with Wall Street analysts. We've seen that target price keep moving up along with the stock, and so it's still trading about 5% below the consensus target price. But one of the things we're still seeing is really higher expectations for growth for not only this year but for the following fiscal year, really ramping up the earnings growth. There's a lot of positive news about their augmented reality technology, and so I think this is still a stock to hold. We've been a long-term owner of this stock, and we continue to do so.
All right, there you go. Can't have a stronger endorsement of that. Long-term holder. All right, Wald, do the charts suggest that our viewers should be long-term holders of this?
The charts do suggest that. The charts are bullish. They argue for a sustainable breakout here and that the stock should be bought. It's accordingly on one of our buy lists. Here's three points to make about the chart of Apple. First thing you'll note is that it has a rising 200-day moving average. So that's indicative of the stock's bullish trend that it's possessed for a couple of months now. Point two is that it is coming into a test of this prior peak. Sounds like we pushed through it on an intraday basis here. That's going to be an important resistance level. Aside from a pause to maybe chop around here, we do think we get the breakout because of the bullish trend, because of that rising 200-day moving average. Third point I want to make, and another reason why we think it goes higher, is just the similarities to how this stock traded back in the second half of 2013 into 2014, that after a year of decline, you can see in that prior period, the 200-day started to push higher, pullbacks to that 200-day, great buying opportunities, and then that final inflection, which really marked the sustainable turn. We're seeing very similar price action. Once again, charts are bullish here for Brian, for Apple here, Brian.
Well, I hope they're bullish for me too. I like that. So you got sustained momentum for Apple. I'd like to have some sustained momentum as well. All right, Wald, thank you. Bullish chart-wise. Erin, thank you. Bullish fundamentally. Appreciate that. You made a lot of Apple fans happy today. I'm Brian Sullivan. Hoping to keep the momentum high as well. We'll see you next time on Trading Nation. Take care.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.